Hey baddies, and welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now so you become one of my baddies. In today's video, y'all gonna come spend a productive day with me. So let's go and get right into it because I got a lot to do.
1, 2, 3.
Alright y'all, so I'm about to go drop my car off. Well, not drop it off, but I'm about to go take my car for the oil change. What is going on right here? I need to fix this. Okay y'all, so today I have on my Adidas hat. I got this from TJ Maxx. Then I have on my Adidas sweatshirt. Y'all saw this in my Christmas haul. And then my Adidas leggings and my Adidas shoes. That right there on the mirror, that gotta get cleaned up too. That's gonna be part of today's videos too, you know. Everything. I'm being super productive today. But yeah, so this is my outfit. Super cute. If y'all seen me wear this before, but yeah, super cute. Now let's get today started. Alright, so as y'all can see, the first thing on my to-do list is to get my oil change, and literally look at this. My baby keep telling me that I need to feed her some oil, literally on 0%. So yeah, let's go get that done first.
20 minutes later.
My baby is ready.
Damn!
When you so ashy, the rain gotta moisturize your skin. I'm just embarrassed. How you doing? Okay, y'all. So y'all seen I got my oil change. They kept talking about like how, cause they only last time I been there, I had my white car. And it was like, what happened to it? And it was like, this thing took 10 quarts and all type of stuff like that. Yeah, I've never spent this much on an oil change in my life. But you know, I don't even know where I was going with that. But yeah, so I'm at the hair store right now. I came here because I need some glue so I can lay my fucking wigs down. Because this one right here, it's not laid. I just put on this hat and I'm going to play it off because it's raining. But yeah, this is not laid. I just literally took off a wig and then realized I had no way to lay my wigs down, so I just threw this on and put a hat on top of it so y'all would not know. I just told y'all, so now y'all know. But yeah, so I'm about to go buy some lace glue. But yeah, I'm really excited. I love going to the beauty supply store. It's so fun. And I need some more lip gloss. Like, I have no idea. Let me tell y'all, cause listen, well, I lost it already. Oh, so he comes and he's like, is this yours? And this is like my favorite lip gloss. It looks a hot mess now, but look at it. You gonna focus, fam? Yeah. This is my favorite lip gloss. He was like, yeah, I found this in the hood. And I'm just like, yeah, that's mine. I have no idea how the fuck this got in the hood of my car, but yeah, I'm glad I got it, but it's kind of nasty now, and I don't know. I'm surprised it didn't like cause some problems to my car. But yeah, I need some more lip gloss too, so I'm probably gonna get some lip gloss out of here too. But yeah, I'm talking too much, so let's go. I just burped. Alright, so I just got out the hair store and I'm proud of myself because I only got one lip gloss and then the hair glue, and I got rose oil. Don't know how I'm feeling like this, y'all. They got so many different types of lip glosses. They got hemp lip gloss. Basically they got weed lip gloss. Like, what the fuck? They got all types of lip gloss. But not in there. They ain't had a lot of lip gloss at all. Like, they look like they was cleaned out. That's why I only got one. I promise you, they would have more. I would have got more, but they didn't have a lot that I think would have went with like my lips because they're like kind of small. But yeah, now I'm about to go grocery shopping. You know, I have to adult and stuff. My mom's out of town, and if I want to eat, I need to buy some groceries. So I'm gonna get some groceries, and yeah.
Go crazy! Go stupid!
Alright, y'all, I'm in the produce section, and I want some salads because I ain't had salad in a minute. I like my salads with spinach, though. And I'm gonna get organically expensive. By the time I get this one, you gotta make sure your stuff is fresh. You don't want no little brown lettuce. Like, I want some cuties. That's what y'all are on my baddies. Y'all cuties. Y'all, these are life, especially in my house. We eat these shits. Oh no, I want this. Ew. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I meant. Yeah, these. I've waited all my life for this. I keep trying to film when the aisles is empty, but I'm gonna get these. And if I want me to do a spicy noodle challenge, this video a thumbs up, okay? Mine.
Many months later.
Honestly, I think my addiction started with Stouffer's lasagnas. Just one day, I started and I just couldn't stop, you know? But I mean, I really want help. I really want help, like, really bad. Is it fake, baby? Sunny D, orange juice is better than apple juice. Please comment me in the comment section below and I will feel very, very happy to argue with you about it. Orange juice over apple juice, any day, every day, all day, period. I get this milk because I don't like our regular milk. How they do the cows so wrong, so I get almond milk because I like cows. I'm gonna get this. I ain't had this in so long. It's so good though.
So good. Bless you.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're alright.
Okay, so maybe it was not the best idea to go shopping in the rain, grocery shopping in the rain, but it's already done. I'm exhausted. I was trying to get the groceries in there so fast. It's a good thing I didn't wear nothing too cute, cause I would have been highly upset right now. I don't even know why the fuck I did this. I'm such an idiot. But now I can go home. So I'll see y'all when I get home. Bye!
Oh, hell no! Oh, my God!
Okay, so my room is messy to say the least, so I'm about to go clean it up. I don't know, what is this, Paw Patrol in the background? I do not watch Paw Patrol.
Why the fuck you lying?
Maybe. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to clean up my room right quick. Y'all can see I basically straightened my hair for nothing because the water got to it and it started waving back up. But I'm not about to keep this in. But it's like really waved up pretty actually. But yeah, so I'm about to clean up my room. Okay guys, so y'all can see that my room is nice and clean now. Now I'm about to start doing my homework because I have a couple of assignments to do tomorrow at 11:59. But I'm a procrastinator, so you know, yeah. But I did go ahead and fix me a cup of my iced coffee because you know that just goes with a whole productive vibe. So I'm about to sit here, do my homework, and then I should be done after I do my homework. I've been being really productive today. I'm super proud of myself. Hope this inspires y'all to be productive as well. If y'all sitting here watching me, keep watching me. Watch to the end. But then when y'all done, y'all go start doing y'all stuff that y'all need to be productive. Okay?
Two hours later.
Writing on point. Okay y'all, it is several hours later and I'm still doing my homework because you know I'm sitting here thinking that I have maybe like 7 assignments. Come to find out I missed some and got zeros for it, and I'm just like, because I'm like super serious about my grades. I started crying, y'all. Like, I'm so serious about my grades, and I worked so hard to get where I'm at right now. So I was like really upset, but all I can do now is just go super hard for the rest of my assignments, and that's what I'm doing right now. So yes, I'm still doing my homework, but I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because I'm not gonna be doing anything else but this homework for tonight. Like, that's it. I'm gonna get my grade right because there's no way around it. Like, I don't to sit there and be like, oh my god, and not do my heart. No, baby. Like, life do not stop for you. You just gotta get on it and just keep going. Like, life don't stop for nobody. We're gonna keep spending them assignments, and the due dates, they're gonna keep coming. So I might as well just go ahead and keep, you know, try and get back on track. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. But like I said, I want to go ahead and close out this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was fun making it, and I hope that it inspired y'all to be productive, because you need to be productive in order to get things done and to live a life that you want to live. One of my favorite quotes is, if you're not where you want to be in life, why are you chilling so much? If you keep chilling and being lazy and doing nothing, do you really expect your life to be great? Do you? If you do, you need to change your mindset. But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If so, make sure I give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment and make sure you subscribe so you become one of my baddies. Bye, baddies.